Get out of here. I'm gonna get him on a leash and we're gonna walk.
Yeah. All right, guys. Bear sighting. Yeah. Bear sighting 2013.
Versus bear, we really don't want to go there.
Well, it'd be nice if I knew it was
Get out.
That bear does not give a fuck.
Yeah, it doesn't care about you at all.
Yeah.
It really doesn't.
Yeah. He's like,
He
I'm
probably
not
sees a
fucking
lot of
bear.
people here. It's best to keep an eye on him. I'll do
Yeah.
that.
Peaceful
All right.
distance.
Come on.
Distance.
If he starts barking, let him bark.
What is that? What is that?
Yeah, good. Yeah, that's good.
Bark. Speak, kid, speak. Come on. Good boy. I don't think he saw it the whole time. That's what it was.
Yeah, it has to be moving.